Welcome to the age of AI. It's 2025, and AI is everywhere. Imagine a world where your refrigerator orders groceries before you run out of milk. Picture your phone translating languages in real time as you travel. Envision personalized tutors tailoring lessons just for you. This isn't science fiction. This is our world in 2025, driven by the power of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming everything around us, from the apps we use to the cars we drive. It's changing how we work, learn, and even play. Understanding AI isn't just for tech wizards anymore. It's becoming essential for everyone. Think about it. AI is already composing music, writing stories, and even diagnosing diseases. As we move further into the 25th century, AI's influence will only grow stronger, touching every aspect of our lives. Buckle up and get ready, because the AI revolution is here, and it's time to embrace the future. Why AI matters to you. It's shaping your world. You might be thinking, AI sounds cool, but how does it really affect me? Here's the thing. AI isn't just about robots and spaceships. It's about making our lives easier, more efficient, and even more fun. Let's start with your morning routine. AI powers your smart speaker's weather updates and helps you choose the fastest route to work. AI recommends new music you might enjoy and even filters spam from your inbox. But AI's impact goes far beyond convenience. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing illnesses earlier and developing personalized treatment plans. In education, AI is creating engaging learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. No matter what your interests are, from art and music to sports and gaming, AI is changing the game. It's helping artists create stunning visuals, musicians compose catchy melodies, and athletes analyze their performance to reach their full potential. The bottom line is this: AI is shaping the world around us at an incredible pace. Understanding how to interact with and utilize AI is no longer a luxury. It's becoming a necessity for anyone who wants to thrive in the 21st century. Unleashing the power of AI, the art of prompt engineering. Now that you understand the importance of AI, let's talk about how you can harness its power. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Think of AI as a powerful but obedient genie in a bottle. It has incredible abilities, but it needs clear instructions to know what to do. That's where you come in as the prompt engineer. Imagine you want the genie, AI, to write a poem about a cat. You wouldn't just say, "Hey, write a poem." You'd give more specific instructions. Write a funny poem about a mischievous cat who loves to knock things off tables. See the difference? The more precise your instructions, the better the results. Prompt engineering is all about crafting those clear and effective instructions called prompts that guide the AI to produce the desired outcome. It's like giving the AI a roadmap to follow, ensuring it understands exactly what you want it to create. In essence, prompt engineering is the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. By mastering this skill, you become the conductor of the AI orchestra, guiding it to compose the masterpiece you envision. Section 4. Crafting the perfect prompt. From vague instructions to stellar results. Let's dive into some real-world examples to illustrate the difference between a poorly crafted prompt and a well-crafted one. Imagine you're using an AI-powered image generator. If you simply type in cat, you might get a random assortment of cat pictures. Some might be cute, others blurry, and some might not even be cats at all. Now let's refine the prompt. A fluffy Persian cat with bright blue eyes, sitting on a windowsill bathed in sunlight. See the difference? The second prompt provides specific details about the cat's breed, appearance, and surroundings, resulting in a much more precise and visually appealing image. The same principle applies to writing, coding, and other AI applications. Vague prompts like "write a story" will likely yield generic results, but a prompt like "write a suspenseful mystery novel set in 1920s Paris," featuring a brilliant detective and a cunning art thief, provides the AI with a clear framework to craft a captivating narrative. Remember, the quality of your output depends on the quality of your input. By crafting clear, concise, and detailed prompts, You provide the AI with the necessary guidance to deliver exceptional results. Section 5. Mastering the techniques, secrets to effective prompt engineering. Ready to become a master prompt engineer? Here are some key techniques to elevate your prompt writing game. Be specific. Avoid ambiguity. Clearly state what you want the AI to achieve. Instead of write about climate change, try write a persuasive speech about the urgent need to address climate change. Provide context. Help the AI understand the task by providing background information. For example, if you want the AI to summarize a news article, include the article's title and main topic in your prompt. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords that guide the AI's focus. If you want a recipe for vegetarian lasagna, include keywords like vegetarian, lasagna, recipe, and Italian cuisine in your prompt. Experiment with different formats. Don't be afraid to try various prompt structures. You can phrase prompts as questions, commands, or even short narratives to see what yields the best results. Iterate and refine. Prompt engineering is an iterative process. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Analyze the AI's output, adjust your prompts accordingly, and continue refining until you achieve the desired outcome. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different prompts and techniques, the better you'll become at communicating effectively with AI and unlocking its full potential. Section 6. Prompt engineering in action transforming industries. One prompt at a time, prompt engineering isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already making waves across various industries. Content creation. Writers, bloggers, and marketers are using AI to generate engaging articles, social media posts, and marketing copy, all powered by well-crafted prompts. Software development programmers are using AI to write and debug code faster and more efficiently by providing prompts that specify the desired functionality and programming language. Design and art. Artists and designers are collaborating with AI to create stunning visuals, logos, and even architectural designs, using prompts to define style, color palettes, and themes. Customer service companies are using AI-powered chatbots to provide instant customer support, with prompts enabling these bots to understand and respond to a wide range of inquiries. Education teachers are leveraging AI to create personalized lesson plans, quizzes, and feedback for students, tailoring the learning experience to individual needs through carefully constructed prompts. These are just a few examples of how prompt engineering is transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and create. As AI technology continues to evolve, the applications of prompt engineering will only expand further, impacting virtually every aspect of our lives. Section 7. The future is now. Prompt engineering is your key to success. As we venture further into the age of AI, one thing is certain: those who can effectively communicate with and direct AI will have a significant advantage. Prompt engineering is the key to unlocking this potential. Imagine having the ability to instantly generate high-quality content, develop innovative software, or design eye-catching visuals, all with the help of AI. This is the power that prompt engineering puts in your hands. Learning prompt engineering isn't just about acquiring a technical skill, it's about developing a new way of thinking, a way of collaborating with machines to achieve remarkable results. It's about becoming fluent in the language of AI and harnessing its power to shape the future. So what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the power of prompt engineering and start shaping your world today.